1. Hey everyone! Today we're unboxing the Stanley Adventure Quencher Travel Tumbler 40 ounces, your ultimate hydration solution that keeps drinks ice cold for over 11 hours. 2. Seriously, this isn't just any tumbler. Its double-wall vacuum insulation is a game changer for staying refreshed all day long without any condensation. 3. Forget lukewarm water. Imagine perfectly chilled iced coffee or refreshing cold water from your morning commute to your evening workout. 4. And let's talk about convenience. The reusable straw and comfort grip handle make sipping on the go incredibly easy and spill-free. 5. But what truly sets this Stanley Quencher apart is its genius car cup holder compatible design. No more fumbling with oversized bottles in your vehicle. 6. Whether you're commuting, at the office, or running errands, this 40 ounces behemoth fits right into your daily life seamlessly. 7. It's an essential upgrade for anyone serious about hydration and looking for the best travel tumbler on the market right now. 8. Trust me, once you experience the quality and thoughtful design of this Stanley tumbler, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. 9. If you're ready to revolutionize your hydration, don't wait. Click the link in the description to check out the Stanley Adventure Quencher on Amazon now. 10. This isn't just a purchase. It's an investment in staying perfectly hydrated every single day. Highly recommended.